How do you make a Charles Schwab account? Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC and then search for schwab.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and tap on open an account and then choose your account type. Either it's brokerage and trading, retirement, automated investing, educational, trust and estate, and banking. So go ahead and choose one, and inside your scroll below then tap on get started. So now inside this kind of section, you want to go ahead and fill in the goods. They'll ask your full name, your address, date of birth, social security number, employment info, and your financial situations. So you want to go ahead and set it up and then tap on continue. And just like so, in the next page, you'll be setting up your login details. Think of a strong password, and just like so, once you double check everything, click on submit, and once it is done just like that, you are in. Your account will get approved by schwab.com, and then you'll be able to make a new Charles Schwab account. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.